In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of WhatsApp Web. Whether you're done with your session on a shared computer or you simply want to ensure your account's privacy, logging out of WhatsApp Web is quick and easy. So let's walk through this process together step by step. Picture this: you've just finished chatting with friends or conducting a bit of business on WhatsApp Web, but now you find yourself needing to log out to safeguard your information. It's an essential step, especially if you're on a public or shared computer. So the first thing you'll want to do is guide your eyes to the lower left corner of the WhatsApp Web interface. You'll see your profile icon. This is usually a small circle that features your picture, and it's neatly placed there for easy access. You'll want to take your mouse and click on that icon. Once you've clicked on the profile icon, a small menu will appear. This menu gives you a few options, but the one we are interested in is the Logout feature. Now, you should see an option that clearly says Log Out. This might be listed among various settings, so read through the options carefully. Once you've found it, click on Log Out. This action will effectively end your session, and you'll be safely logged out of WhatsApp Web. You'll notice that the browser window will return to the initial WhatsApp Web login page, prompting you to scan the QR code if you wish to log in again. This is a sure indication that you've successfully logged out. Remember, logging out is a great habit to develop, especially if you're using a device that multiple people might have access to. It ensures that your conversations remain private and secure, and it prevents anyone else from sneaking a peek into your personal messages. And there you have it, an immensely straightforward yet vital task. Securing your WhatsApp account after you're done is no small matter, and being diligent about logging out will help keep your information secure and your mind at ease. I hope this has been helpful and that you feel more confident about managing your privacy on WhatsApp Web. If you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to learn regarding WhatsApp or any other applications, feel free to drop a comment or check out our other informative videos. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more handy tips and tutorials. Until next time, keep your information safe and enjoy the seamless experience of using WhatsApp both on your phone and through the web. Take care.